number 4 from synthetic division number 2. And so I'm going to start by using, let's see if I can quickly find a colored pen to write this. I think this will help you visualize it. Okay, so I have x subtract, and x subtract. Now I'm going to write down that what the given zeros are, given solutions. Negative 1/2, 3 plus 3 radical 2, 3 minus 3 radical 2. The two negatives produce a positive, and I do bottoms up, so this is 2x plus 1. Now over here I'm going to distribute this negative sign to each, and I end up with x minus 3 radical 2, x minus 3 plus 3 radical 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and distribute. So there's going to be a total of three different answers in 3 groups. How do I get those? I'm going to take x times each one of the back parenthesis terms. So x times x times negative 3, and x times 3 radical 2x. Then I'm going to take negative 3 times each. So negative 3 times x, negative 3 times negative 3, and negative 3 times 3 radical 2 is negative 9 radical 2. Now I'm going to take negative 3 radical 2 times each one of the back terms. Negative 3 radical 2 times x, negative 3 radical 2 times negative 3, so that's two negatives make a positive 9 radical 2, and negative 3 times positive 3 is a negative 9. Radical 2 times radical 2 is radical 4. Now I know the square root of 4 is 2, so this really becomes negative 18 when I multiply. Now we're going to look for additive inverses. So that means the same things, just different signs. I'll give you an example. Here's a positive 3 radical 2x and a negative 3 radical 2x. Here is a positive, you know what, right? Here's a positive and a negative 9 radical 2. Now let's combine everything else. X squared, negative 3 is negative 6, and negative 18 and positive 9 is negative 9. Okay, let's bring down the 2x plus 1. When I distribute, I'm going to come up with 6 different terms before I combine. So 2x times each of the 3 in the back. So 2x to the third minus 12x squared minus 18x. Now I'm going to take a positive 1 times each of these. So positive 1x squared, negative 6x, and negative 9. Let's combine like terms, and I end up with 2x cubed, negative 12, and positive 1, minus 11x squared, negative 18 and negative 6 is negative 24x minus 9.